Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to solve this case from, as usual, last year's Microsoft Excel World Championship, which is called Elections Are Coming. It's a pretty fun case which mixes up different skills needed to solve it. In particular, you can see you have basically some parties and you will need to assess which party is going to be in the elections. In particular, for some levels, you will have colors to understand which party has been voted. To be honest, basically, if I would have to be played this live, I would probably have messed this up because I didn't know the basically possibility to find and replace values using the format of the cell. Now, of course, I know that option of Excel, but you never know what you get in terms of skill set and capabilities to address some cases. So you basically have 100 voters that will vote those five different parties, and you will probably need to assess what is going on for each level. Let's go into it. So, level one voting system is very simple. Each voter has one vote to cast for one of the parties. How many votes were given for the purpose? Uh, let's call these codes. So it will be basically a countifs of this against purpose would be those ones. Lock. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Then voting system has become a little bit more complicated. The vote of the first voter is worth 1 point. The vote of the next voter is worth 1 point if he votes for another party, but 2 points if he votes for the same party. It's bonus for sequence increases with the number of voters. Three voters, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, final split. Okay, how many points will the BW party receive? Maybe let's use a separate worksheet. So we'll have example 2. I will have to XLOOKUP this against my column B as usual, and returning columns G to DB. Okay, let's transpose this thing, maybe the whole thing. Okay. Um, what we are saying is this will have a value 1, then if this equals this, it will be d plus 1, otherwise 1. Okay, and then is it just transpose of codes? Uh, and then sum ifs of this lock against this lock. This lock the row. No one. While I have array formulas, I'm never able to lock with one command. So yes, we have 17, 21 to 40 in terms of data sets. So sequence of 100. Then we have, in this case, this. Let's add the data table as usual. Okay, I've set 21 to 40. So this. Okay. The king has decided to move on with the simple system from the one another preparation electronics the elections is underway. Mr. John Average is an action analyst. He works for a consulting agency, monitors public opinion. If his final forecast for elections is that each party will get 20 votes. Payment is tied to precision forecast. If it is fully correct, he gets 1 million. However, for each vote difference, for each party's payment is decreased by 10,000. Okay. How much money will John receive for his election prediction? Okay. Example 3. Now this time I will basically have a countifs of this lock against this lock the row. Again, I need to lock this manually. So abs of 20 minus this. Sum of this, and then will be 1 million minus 10,000 times the errors. I remember, yes. Is it 10,000? Yes. So 640,000. This 41 to 60. Okay, level 4. Okay, this is the the problem. The actual election day, the vote counting machine crashed. How many voters have casted the vote for the winning party? Okay, so what we could probably do is so basically this will be a replace. Choose from here. This will be black. Okay, it works. Then we have BW is B white. So this is BW. Replace all. Apologies for the Excel sound. So reds is R. So this will be R. Replace all. Okay. Then P and Y blue. YB. We'll do YB first, otherwise I will forget it. YB. Replace all. And then P stands for purple. Replace all. And we should be done. Um, because this can also be said as max of countifs of this against codes. That's it. Okay, so I can do myself the one set solution sometimes. What line is a baby boom? Now, so the elections, the number of votes will grow to exactly 1,000. Due to the increased number of election results are now being presented in the next string. How many voters are casting their votes for the winning party? The party with the most votes. Okay, I think the problem is I cannot separate because I want to have one letter for each party in order to able to split on one on the sides of one letter. So many payment, how many votes will you across all the 105 election scenarios below? Okay. So if I do, what if I replace my W with, I don't know, A, and I will replace also my YB with C. Okay, so we'll have B, A, R, C, B. Let's call these codes new. And then it will be a max of len of this minus len of substitute this with codes new and nothing. Yes. So, levels wise, it was pretty easy. Now let's see if I can scale on the bonuses. What is the highest possible number of points that I can get with the voting system as on level 2? What is the highest possible number? So basically, the highest one would be if everyone was the same party, I would have basically 5050, because it's the sum of the increased values. Yes, what is the minimum payment on average received for yourself under level 3 scenario? It would be just a mean of this. Yes, how many votes were given for the BW party across all the 105 elections, including examples? Okay. Okay. The BW is this one. Example one, is this working? Yes. Okay. So I will have this plus example one. I will have example one, example two, example three, example four. Uh, Example 5 will tackle it differently. So let's do this again because I need the examples as well. Okay, so will be the sum of this, which is a piece, and then then BW is the question. So the new code is A for level 5, and so it will be the sum of len of this minus len of substitute this with I don't remember what. Uh, so BW is obviously A. So okay, so this plus this. So 5681. Let's hope so. And yes, so it was a very nice one. Also pretty easy, I would say, and also that was reflecting the scores of the competition. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.